guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click on settings here. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on sync. When just click here on sync, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to display the synchronization status, clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.